it all night long. I'm hitting big bongs. No, I quit the fucking weed and now I smoke on the fucking earth from the trees, and I'm feeling like, why'd you leave me? Like,
let it go, let it go, let it take you away, take you away, take you away, take you away. Let it go, let it go, baby, let it take you away, take you away, take you away. Oh, oh no. Leave this place, leave this place. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bye-bye.
Where'd you go? And right out the radio frequencies. Sleep in me, into you, enemies. You're my enemies. You're my enemy. But I love you anyways. Love you anyways. Dealing with my heart, dealing with my heart. It's getting a little dark. Judging you on the train, man, I let it go today. Staring across you, across this sea, staring right through you. All these strangers on the train, I act like they don't exist. I gotta protect my energy from all these tits, mission, kids. Stare away when I see you cross the frame. I act like you're not alive. I stare right through you. I stare to the black void above you. Don't make eye contact. Don't make eye contact. It's too scary to make that eye contact, 'cause I see your soul behind those eyes. We're so scared, all these lies. What do you think of me? What do I think of you? I walk down the street, man, I look so cool. I think in my head, but in your head you look so fool. But oh, I'm feeling so cool. But oh, I'm looking like a fool. But oh, I'm looking like a fool. But up all in my face, I'm smacking that shit. I'm eating that taint. I'm eating that skank, paint, and on my face, Oh no, now. Oh no, now.
Oh no, now. Oh no, now. I just had some fat ass a couple days ago. That shit was fatter than anything I ever had before. I was riding that shit, it was like fucking a bouncy house. That shit was bouncing me back, and I thought I couldn't handle it, but then I had got to fucking it, and this shit was good. Yeah. Shout out to the Nickies of the world. Oh God. Shout out to the thicky fucking girls. Yeah. Shout out to the bitches that need to put deodorant on their ass cheeks, 'cause that shit's gonna stink 'cause in the summertime. Shout out to the women putting deodorant under their titties, 'cause they get that shit like crazy.
that smile when you clap that ass, hey, clap it up, dum ba dum ba dum ba dum ba dum ba dum ba dum. Like, wow, all these gifts, I know, feeling gifts, you know, gifts, you know.
Keep it going. Give me more, give me more. I want nothing else more. I don't wanna fucking hold. I just wanna open the door. Open the door, open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. I left the window open. I left the window open. Don't close that door. I want the breeze to come in. I want the birds to fly into my house. I want that. I want the plants to come grow on my walls. I want the ants to come crawling in my house. I want the worms to come drill through my floor. I want a fucking deer to bite the knob off of my stove. And fucking, I want a bunch of animals to come into my house and destroy my fucking house. I want a fucking rhinoceros to come and destroy my cows. I want a fucking bird to come in and swoop and tear everything down. Yeah, I want a giraffe to fucking smash the shit out of my TV and my computer. I want a zebra to come in and fucking break every fucking window in my house. Yeah, yeah. I want my house to be destroyed by the animals and plants and fungi and produce and other beings. I want a fucking tiger to come and rip me to shreds while I'm trying to fucking sleep in my bed and I'm fucking watching Ted, watching that movie Ted about that talking teddy bear. And that lion's gonna destroy me cause I shouldn't have been watching that movie. I should have been watching nothing at all. That's what I